In today's video, we're diving into 3 of the best anatomy apps for Android. Whether you're a student, a healthcare professional, or just curious about the human body, these apps are packed with valuable information and interactive features. Let's get started and explore what each app has to offer. Human Anatomy Body Parts. Human Anatomy Body Parts is a comprehensive app designed to educate users about the human body. It features detailed illustrations and descriptions of various body parts, organs, and systems. The app allows users to explore the anatomy in a straightforward manner, making it suitable for students, healthcare professionals, and anyone interested in learning about human physiology. Users can view diagrams, read informative texts, and even quiz themselves to test their knowledge. With its easy-to-navigate interface and rich content, this app serves as an excellent educational resource for all ages. Anatomyka 3D Anatomy Atlas. Anatomyka 3D Anatomy Atlas is an interactive app that offers a three-dimensional view of human anatomy. This app allows users to visualize and explore the human body in detail, including muscles, bones, and internal organs. The 3D models can be rotated and scaled, giving users a realistic and immersive experience. Additionally, Anatomyka provides labels and descriptions for each anatomical part, helping users learn and identify structures effectively. The app is ideal for medical students, healthcare professionals, and anyone looking to deepen their understanding of human anatomy through a dynamic visual approach. Visual Anatomy 3D Human Body. Visual Anatomy 3D Human Body is a cutting-edge app that integrates 3D visualization with detailed anatomical information. Users can explore various systems of the human body, such as the skeletal, muscular, and circulatory systems, using interactive 3D models. The app features a comprehensive library of anatomical structures with descriptions and multimedia resources, making learning engaging and effective. Users can also customize their learning experience by selecting specific areas of interest. Visual Anatomy 3D is perfect for students, educators, and anyone fascinated by the complexities of the human body. Thanks for watching our video on the best anatomy apps for Android. We hope these tools enhance your understanding of the human body and make learning about anatomy a fun experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more educational content. See you next time.